Welcome to the Zenix EMS in-service tutorial video series. This series provides detailed information about the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator and its functionality. These videos serve as an adjunct to formal training. Please take time to read the operator's guide, available online at ZOLL.com. Obtain formal training from an appropriate authority before using Zenix for patient care. In this video, we will review best practices for using the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator with the pediatric patient population. Zenix offers adult, pediatric, and neonate patient types. When you manually change the patient type to pediatric, the alarms and blood pressure inflation values are adjusted to pre-configured pediatric values. The defibrillation energy settings are also changed. If the patient type is changed to neonate, the alarms and blood pressure inflation values are adjusted to pre-configured neonate values. The defibrillation energy settings are also changed. Note that AED mode is not accessible when the patient type is set to neonate. If Zenix Pediatric CPR electrodes are connected, the device will automatically switch to the pediatric patient type. If compressions occur, the Real CPR Help dashboard automatically appears on the screen, providing real-time feedback on compression rate and depth. Zenix offers a pediatric-specific AED algorithm in both AED mode and advisory defibrillation. The device will automatically escalate through a pre-configured energy protocol. We have now reviewed how to use the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator with the pediatric patient population.